Mobile-friendly online forms allow practices to create responsive online forms that patients can easily complete from a computer, tablet, or mobile device. In this video, we will be covering the options for multi-selection fields and how to add them to your mobile-friendly forms. We're picking up from where we left off in the single selection fields video. If you'd like to watch that video or the others we have on mobile-friendly online forms, you can find the playlist on our YouTube channel or video tutorials page on our website. Both are linked in the description below. There are 3 fields that allow for selecting or entering multiple answers on an online form: checkboxes, multi-select dropdown, and multiple text boxes. Checkboxes are great for asking about symptoms or conditions, whether the list of options is long or short. I need to ask about existing conditions. If you need a refresher on the different field settings or how to navigate this template editor, please refer to our Navigating the Template Editor video. Each label can be adjusted by selecting the text. You can add and remove them by clicking the plus and minus buttons or by hitting enter once you're finished. You can also add a none or other option. The latter will give the patient a text box to add additional context. Now that I have my list, I want the options displayed in columns to reduce the length of this field. To add columns, I'm going to go to the Layout button on the right-hand menu, scroll to the bottom, and enter the amount of columns that I want. Things might look a bit odd in the editor, but once we see it in the preview, it will look smoother. If you want to rearrange any of these options, you can do so by hovering over the label and clicking and dragging. An alternative to checkboxes is the multi-select dropdown. They serve a similar purpose, just with a different look, so which one you use is up to your preference and the question. I'm going to use this to ask which providers the patient has seen at our clinic previously. Editing the labels and the name are the same process we followed for previous questions. A multiple text box field contains multiple text boxes that allow patients to enter more than one short text response in a single question. This field is great if you need to collect multiple answers to an open-ended question. I'm going to use this field to ask 3 of the patient's hearing goals. To add additional text boxes, select the Items button on the right-hand menu and hit the plus button here. If you want to split this into more than one column, head to the Layout button on the right, scroll to the bottom, and adjust the column count here. If you make this question required, please note that the patient will be able to submit as long as they write one answer. For questions that require entry for each line, the single line input will be a better fit. Let's go ahead and take a preview at what we've built so far. At the bottom, we can skip to the second page we were working on. Here we can see the checkboxes in the columns I set, the multi-select dropdown, and our multiple text boxes. Those are the multi-selection fields. Check out the rest of this series to learn about advanced input fields and merge fields. You can also go back if you'd like to review anything we've covered previously. If you have any questions about mobile-friendly online forms, please don't hesitate to give us a call or submit a support ticket.